Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of public administration law. This field is essential for understanding how government agencies operate and interact with the public. Public administration law sets the rules and guidelines that government officials must follow when making decisions, delivering services, and managing resources. It ensures that government actions are legal, fair, and transparent. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about how governments work, understanding public administration law gives you valuable insight into the mechanisms that keep our societies running smoothly. Let's start by exploring what exactly public administration law is and why it matters. Public administration law is a branch of law that governs the activities of administrative agencies of government. It covers the rules, regulations, and procedures that public officials must follow when carrying out their duties. This area of law ensures that government agencies act within their legal authority and respect the rights of citizens. It also provides mechanisms for individuals to challenge government decisions they believe are unfair or unlawful. By setting clear boundaries and procedures, public administration law helps maintain accountability and trust in government institutions. The roots of public administration law can be traced back to the development of modern states. As governments grew more complex, the need for clear rules to guide administrative actions became apparent. Early legal systems often relied on monarchs or rulers to make decisions, but over time, societies demanded more transparency and accountability. This led to the creation of administrative laws and courts to oversee government actions. Today, public administration law continues to evolve, adapting to new challenges and technologies while upholding the principles of fairness and justice. Public administration law is built on several key principles. These include legality, which means that government actions must be based on law, transparency, ensuring that decisions are open and understandable, accountability, holding officials responsible for their actions, and fairness, guaranteeing equal treatment for all citizens. These principles guide the behavior of public officials and protect the rights of individuals. By adhering to these values, public administration law helps create a government that serves its people effectively and ethically. The scope of public administration law is broad, covering a wide range of government activities. It applies to federal, state, and local agencies, and includes everything from issuing licenses and permits to enforcing regulations and managing public funds. Public administration law also governs the hiring and conduct of public employees, procurement processes, and the delivery of public services. By setting standards for these activities, the law ensures that government operations are efficient, ethical, and responsive to the needs of the public. Administrative agencies are the backbone of public administration law. These agencies are created by governments to implement laws and manage specific areas such as health, education, transportation, and the environment. They have the authority to create rules, enforce regulations, and make decisions that affect the public. Because of their significant power, administrative agencies are subject to strict legal controls to ensure they act within their authority and respect citizens' rights. Understanding how these agencies function is key to grasping the importance of public administration law. One of the main functions of administrative agencies is rulemaking. This process involves creating detailed regulations that give effect to laws passed by legislatures. Rulemaking typically includes drafting proposed rules, seeking public input, and finalizing regulations. Public administration law sets out the procedures agencies must follow to ensure transparency and public participation. By involving the public and following established procedures, agencies create rules that are fair, effective, and legally sound. After rules are created, administrative agencies are responsible for enforcing them. This can involve conducting inspections, issuing fines, or taking other actions to ensure compliance. Public administration law provides guidelines for enforcement activities, protecting individuals from arbitrary or excessive government action. It also allows for appeals and reviews, giving people a way to challenge enforcement decisions they believe are unjust. Effective enforcement is crucial for maintaining order and upholding the rule of law. Administrative adjudication is the process by which agencies resolve disputes. This can include hearings on license revocations, regulatory violations, or benefits eligibility. Agencies act like courts, holding hearings and issuing decisions. Public administration law ensures that these proceedings are fair, impartial, and follow due process. Individuals have the right to present evidence, call witnesses, and appeal decisions. This system provides a way to resolve conflicts without going to traditional courts, making it more accessible and efficient. Judicial review is a critical aspect of public administration law. It allows courts to review the actions of administrative agencies to ensure they comply with the law. If an agency acts outside its authority or violates individual rights, courts can overturn its decisions. Judicial review acts as a check on government power, protecting citizens from abuse and ensuring that agencies remain accountable. This process reinforces the rule of law and upholds the principles of justice and fairness. Due process is a fundamental principle in public administration law. It requires that government agencies follow fair procedures when making decisions that affect individuals. This includes providing notice of actions, an opportunity to be heard, and a fair and impartial decision-maker. Due process protects individuals from arbitrary or unfair treatment by the government. By ensuring that everyone is treated with respect and dignity, due process strengthens public trust in government institutions. Transparency is a cornerstone of public administration law. It requires government agencies to operate openly, providing information about their actions and decisions. Laws, such as Freedom of Information Acts, give citizens the right to access government records. Transparency promotes accountability, prevents corruption, and allows the public to participate in government decision-making. By making information accessible, public administration law helps build trust between the government and its citizens. Accountability is essential for effective public administration. Public administration law establishes mechanisms to hold government officials and agencies responsible for their actions. These include audits, oversight bodies, and reporting requirements. Whistleblower protections encourage individuals to report wrongdoing without fear of retaliation. By enforcing accountability, the law ensures that government serves the public interest and operates with integrity. Ethics play a vital role in public administration law. Government officials are expected to act with honesty, integrity, and impartiality. Codes of conduct and ethics laws set standards for behavior, addressing issues such as conflicts of interest, bribery, and misuse of resources. By promoting ethical conduct, public administration law helps prevent corruption and ensures that government actions reflect the values of society. Public participation is encouraged by public administration law. Agencies often seek input from citizens when developing policies or regulations. Public hearings, comment periods, and advisory committees provide opportunities for people to share their views. This involvement helps ensure that government decisions reflect the needs and preferences of the community. By fostering participation, public administration law strengthens democracy and improves the quality of government services. One of the main goals of public administration law is to protect individual rights. This includes rights to privacy, property, and freedom from discrimination. Agencies must respect these rights when making decisions or taking action. Laws and regulations provide remedies for individuals whose rights are violated, such as appeals or lawsuits. By safeguarding individual rights, public administration law ensures that government power is exercised responsibly and justly. In many countries, the Administrative Procedures Act, APA, sets the framework for public administration law. The APA outlines the processes agencies must follow when making rules, conducting hearings, and issuing decisions. It ensures transparency, public participation, and fairness in administrative actions. The APA also provides for judicial review, allowing courts to oversee agency decisions. Understanding the APA is crucial for anyone interested in public administration law. Administrative agencies exist at all levels of government. Examples include the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and local zoning boards. Each agency has specific responsibilities and operates under its own set of rules. By understanding the role of these agencies, we can see how public administration law shapes the delivery of essential services and the regulation of important activities. A common function of administrative agencies is issuing licenses and permits. These documents grant individuals or businesses the legal authority to engage in certain activities, such as operating a restaurant or driving a vehicle. Public administration law sets the standards and procedures for granting, renewing, or revoking licenses. This ensures that only qualified individuals receive permission and that public safety is protected. Regulatory enforcement is a key aspect of public administration law. Agencies monitor compliance with laws and regulations, investigate violations, and take corrective action when necessary. This can include issuing warnings, imposing fines, or shutting down unsafe operations. Enforcement actions must follow legal procedures to ensure fairness and protect individual rights. Effective enforcement helps maintain public confidence in government regulation. Public administration law governs the procurement of goods and services by government agencies. This includes the process of awarding contracts, selecting vendors, and ensuring fair competition. Laws and regulations set standards for transparency, accountability, and value for money. By regulating procurement, public administration law helps prevent corruption and ensures that public funds are used efficiently. Employment law is an important part of public administration. It covers the hiring, promotion, and discipline of public employees. Laws ensure that employment decisions are based on merit and free from discrimination. Public administration law also provides protections for whistleblowers and sets standards for workplace conduct. By regulating public employment, the law helps create a professional and ethical public service. Financial management is another area regulated by public administration law. Agencies must follow strict rules when budgeting, spending, and accounting for public funds. Audits and financial reports ensure transparency and accountability. By setting standards for financial management, public administration law helps prevent waste, fraud, and abuse of public resources. Delivering public services is a core function of government. Public administration law sets standards for the quality, accessibility, and efficiency of services, such as education, healthcare, and transportation. Agencies must ensure that services are provided fairly and without discrimination. By regulating service delivery, the law helps ensure that all citizens have access to essential resources and opportunities. Environmental protection is a major focus of public administration law. Agencies create and enforce regulations to safeguard air, water, and land. These laws set limits on pollution, require permits for certain activities, and promote conservation. By regulating environmental activities, public administration law helps protect public health and preserve natural resources for future generations. Protecting public health and safety is a key responsibility of government agencies. Public administration law establishes standards for food safety, workplace conditions, and emergency response. Agencies inspect facilities, investigate hazards, and enforce compliance with health and safety laws. These regulations help prevent illness, injury, and accidents, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. Education is another area shaped by public administration law. Agencies oversee schools, set curriculum standards, and ensure equal access to education. Laws protect students' rights and set requirements for teacher qualifications and school safety. By regulating education, public administration law helps create a fair and effective system that prepares students for the future. Social welfare programs are managed by government agencies under the framework of public administration law. These programs provide support for individuals and families in need, such as unemployment benefits, housing assistance, and healthcare. Laws set eligibility criteria, application procedures, and oversight mechanisms to ensure that resources are distributed fairly and efficiently. Public safety and emergency management are critical functions of government. Agencies develop plans and regulations to respond to disasters, protect communities, and maintain order. Public administration law sets the legal framework for emergency response, including coordination between agencies and protection of individual rights during crises. Effective emergency management saves lives and minimizes damage. Urban planning and zoning are regulated by public administration law. Agencies create plans for land use, transportation, and development to ensure orderly growth and protect community interests. Zoning laws set rules for building types, heights, and uses. By regulating urban development, public administration law helps create livable, sustainable communities. Transportation systems are essential for modern life, and public administration law regulates their operation. Agencies oversee roads, public transit, and vehicle safety. Laws set standards for construction, maintenance, and safety, ensuring that transportation systems are reliable and accessible. Effective regulation supports economic growth and public mobility. With advances in technology, public administration law now addresses issues of data, privacy, and cybersecurity. Agencies must protect personal information and ensure secure systems. Laws set standards for data collection, storage, and sharing, balancing the need for information with the right to privacy. By regulating technology, public administration law helps build trust in digital government services. Public administration law is not limited to national borders. International agreements and organizations influence how governments operate. Agencies may cooperate on issues such as trade, security, and environmental protection. Understanding the international dimension of public administration law is important in a globalized world, where decisions often have cross-border impacts. Public administration law faces many challenges, including adapting to new technologies, addressing complex social issues, and managing limited resources. Agencies must balance competing interests and respond to changing public expectations. Ongoing reform and innovation are necessary to keep public administration law effective and relevant in a rapidly changing world. Reform and modernization are ongoing processes in public administration law. Governments regularly update laws and procedures to improve efficiency, transparency, and accountability. This can involve adopting new technologies, streamlining processes, or enhancing public participation. By embracing change, public administration law remains responsive to the needs of society. Let's look at a case study in environmental regulation. Suppose a government agency issues permits for industrial facilities. Public administration law requires the agency to assess environmental impacts, seek public input, and enforce compliance with pollution limits. If a facility violates its permit, the agency can impose fines or revoke the permit. This process demonstrates how public administration law protects the environment and ensures accountability. During a public health emergency, agencies must act quickly to protect the public. Public administration law provides the legal authority for actions such as quarantine, vaccination, and resource allocation. Agencies must balance individual rights with the need to protect the community. Transparent decision-making and clear communication are essential for maintaining public trust during emergencies. Imagine a business owner whose license is revoked by a government agency. Public administration law ensures the owner has the right to a hearing and an appeal. The agency must provide reasons for its decision and follow fair procedures. If the owner believes the decision is unjust, they can seek judicial review. This example shows how public administration law protects individual rights and ensures accountability. Courts play a vital role in public administration law. They interpret laws, resolve disputes, and ensure that agencies act within their authority. Courts can review agency actions, overturn unlawful decisions, and protect individual rights. By providing an independent check on government power, courts help maintain the rule of law and public confidence in government institutions. Oversight bodies such as ombudsmen and audit offices monitor government agencies to ensure compliance with laws and ethical standards. They investigate complaints, conduct audits, and recommend improvements. Oversight bodies provide an additional layer of accountability, helping to identify problems and promote good governance. The public plays an important role in public administration law. Citizens can participate in decision-making, report wrongdoing, and hold government accountable through elections and advocacy. Public involvement ensures that government actions reflect the needs and values of the community. By staying informed and engaged, the public helps strengthen democracy and improve government performance. Looking ahead, public administration law will continue to evolve in response to new challenges. Emerging issues such as artificial intelligence, climate change, and global pandemics require innovative legal solutions. Agencies must adapt to changing technologies and public expectations. By staying flexible and forward-thinking, public administration law can meet the needs of future generations. To sum up, public administration law is a vital framework that governs how government agencies operate and interact with the public. It sets standards for transparency, accountability, and fairness, protecting individual rights and promoting good governance. By understanding public administration law, we gain insight into the principles and processes that shape our society and ensure effective government. Public administration law matters because it affects every aspect of our lives. From the services we receive to the rights we enjoy, this area of law shapes the relationship between government and citizens. By ensuring that government actions are legal, fair, and transparent, public administration law helps build trust and confidence in public institutions. It's an essential part of a healthy, functioning democracy. In conclusion, public administration law is the foundation of effective and ethical government. It guides the actions of agencies, protects individual rights, and ensures accountability. As our world changes, public administration law will continue to adapt, meeting new challenges and serving the public good. By understanding and engaging with this field, we can all contribute to better governance and a stronger society.